Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading, and this reading will be what is the future of this connection. So whatever connection you are having with specific someone, so they might be your crush, lover, okay, whatever connection you are having with this person, maybe it is your spouse you are separated with, or if you are ex, okay, so whatever connection you are having with a specific someone, and this is a love reading, so you can ask the angels and spirit guides what is the future of this connection. So we will see, because many people need the clarity what is happening and what is the outcome and future of this connection. So let's find out. So this is also one of the viewers request, so let me do this today. We have the two piles as usual. The first one is white quartz and the second one is golden quartz. Whichever you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the stone, okay. So white quartz and golden quartz, whichever you intuitively connected with, you can choose. If you need to pause the video, you can pause, and you can choose the pile, meditate on the pile, and you can choose. And while I'm shuffling, you can meditate on your current situation to get in tuned with the reading, okay. So before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and my channel. I am growing along with my channel. So if you need personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. Please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. And today I want to do once again the Celtic cross spread, because I feel that it is giving the accurate answers. So it is detailed also, so whatever questions you are having, every question will be clarified in one single reading. So I want to do the Celtic cross. So we will be asking the question, what is the future of this connection? Okay, so let's start the reading. And today I'm going to use the cards, the last tarot cards, Nostradamus cards I'm using. Then let's start the reading without wasting much time. So whoever chose this white quartz, this reading is for you. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Raphael, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. What is the future of this connection? Cards are flying, but I'm not taking the jumping cards. What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Whatever the connection they are having, whoever chose the pile number one, whatever connection they are having, what is the future of this connection? So spirits, please answer. Okay, so again I'm doing the Celtic cross spread. Okay, I think I need to arrange the angle so that you can see better. So now you can see the cards clearly. Let me move this to here. Okay, let's start your reading. What is the future of this connection? First we will see your card, which represents you, okay, whoever is the viewer. So this is the Fool. So you might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Aries, so a fire sign. So you are into the energy of taking risk, taking a leap of faith, and you are ready to take something, a bold decision in this connection. Okay, so you are ready to take a risk in this connection. So you are into a very bold, aggressive energy without thinking about future. You don't know what will happen in the future, but still you want to move ahead in this connection. Okay, so now let's see what is your next step, or what is crossing you. So neophyte, this is kind of page of cups, okay. So you are like, you want to approach the person and you want to offer the person your cup of love, and this is kind of immature energy. You're a young person, okay. I can feel that you are like a young person, and you want to offer your cup of love to this person, and some message you want to send, okay. Somehow you want to contact this person, whoever is the viewer. So you want to contact this person, maybe through mail or text, or you might be waiting for to hear from this person, okay. So let's see then what are, okay, what you are going through right now. what you are going through right now. It is astronomer. Okay, this is a spheres card, that means earth energy. Okay, so right now you are into a very good position, like you are very strong, stable, and your family is supporting you. You don't have any problem with money. You are financially very well in the society. Also, you are having lot of respect, and you are in a stable condition now, so you don't have problem for anything. It is kind of a king of pentacles energy, so you don't have any problem. You are right now very strong and stable, and you are with your family. Okay, you don't have any problem with the family also, money also, society also. So everything is very very good in your current situation is very very good. Okay, so what you are trying to achieve, so what you are trying to achieve is, this is four of suns. Okay, this is clear indication that it is a four of wands card. So you want to meet your twin flame, 1111 card. So you want to meet this person, you want to marry this person. Okay, queen, four of wands is a celebration. Okay, so you want to marry this person. Clearly it is a very very clear reading, I can say. Okay, so you want to marry this person, there is no doubt about it. So you are waiting for the celebration, and you want to start at least with some conversation, and finally you want to marry this person. Okay, that is what is going on. So you want to achieve this. Okay, you want to achieve this celebration with that person, engagement or marriage you want to manifest in your life. Okay, so near past, let's see what is near past. So near past is six of spears. Okay, near past, in the past, I think a few months back or so, so you both were having very equal give and take, and there was balanced connection with this person. Okay, maybe 6 months back, I can say. So 6 months back, with this person you had equal give and take, balance in this connection. You both were talking nicely, both were expressing nicely. It was the days were very very good in the recent past, and you both had a very peaceful connection before 6 months. So now next, let's see near future is what. So near future is three of stars. That means third party situation. So near future you will be dealing with the third party. So your person might be already married, or your person is like going to marry somebody. This person left you because of third party. So in future you will be dealing with the third party situation. Even if you contact this person, even if you come in touch with this person, but you will be dealing with the heartbreak or third party situation. You will be having a very painful future in near future. So you will come to know about this person's true nature or true life. So your heart will be broken, and you will be heartbroken. Then third party situation, it will be very very painful in the near future. So now let's see what is your attitude towards this connection. So your attitude towards this connection is one of moons. That means you want to have a new beginning in this connection. So new emotional beginning. Okay, this is kind of ace of cups energy. So you want to have a new beginning with this person. You want to have a emotional connection, emotional bonding, loving relationship with this person. So this is your attitude towards this person and the connection. Okay, you want to give lot of love, emotions. You are very very compassionate, affectionate. Okay, so you want to give all your good thoughts and feelings to this person. Okay, so now we will see what is the environment around you, around this connection. Okay, this is eight of moons. Eight of moons means walking away. Now actually, maybe for many of you this connection is already ended. You are you walked away from this connection, or that person walked away from this connection. This is the environment around you. Whatever is happening around you already, this either of you or both of you walked away from this connection. No more communication, no talking. Okay, even though you can see future ahead, but still you both walked away from this connection. So now we will see what are the hopes and fears of this connection. Hopes and fears, we will see. Hopes and fears, we got the card, this 10 of stars. That means it's clearly ending card came twice, friends, so it's already ended. So your hopes are like you want some completion in this connection, but already this is ended, this relationship is ended, and so much pain you have gone through. That means 10 of swords, so lot of pain you have suffered, and it is kind of 10 swords stabbing at your back, you are bleeding, and you are like that much painful ending happened in between you. This is sudden painful ending that's already happened. So that is your fear. but you still feel that there is a hope in this connection, because 10 means it is completion. So you are feeling that okay, we can start new beginning, you can have a new beginning, that is your hope. But that the fear is already, it is ended. Okay, that is the fear. Now final outcome. What is the future of this connection? One summation, last card, outcome of this connection. This is eight of suns. Okay, so eight of suns means it is again always fighting, both of you. Even though if you come together also, this future of this connection will be always fighting. Okay, so there is no hope, there is no positivity in this connection. I can see here, see, this is near future and this is the outcome of your question. So what is the future of this connection? Always fighting, backstabbing, then third party situation, then heartbroken. This is the reality of this connection, friends. Sorry if I'm blunt with you, if I'm saying everything bluntly, but sorry, because these two cards clearly represent that there is no future for this connection. Even though there is a future also, there is a third party situation, and definitely there will be fights, lot of disagreements, fights. Okay, you both will be defensive, you both will be egotistical. Okay, so astronomer card also came, so that means you are king of pentacles, you have lot of pride and you have lot of self confidence. Even the same thing with this person also, this person is also not bending and you are also not mending, so both of you will have lot of fightings, disagreements. This is the future of this connection. Okay, so the truth, I will always say the truth. Okay, this is what I have for you, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol to get more notifications regarding my new upcoming videos. Okay, then let's move on to the next pile. Okay, so whoever chose this yellow quartz, this reading is for you. So let's ask spirits. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. What is the future of this connection? Whoever chose this golden quartz, what is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Please give us some clarity, please give us some guidance. What is the future of this connection? 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 I'm not taking the jumping cards, okay, because I'm doing the Celtic cross spread. What is the future of this connection? One last shuffle. Okay, angels, please give us guidance. Okay, it is you, and it is what is crossing you, that means next step. Then what you are going through right now. This Celtic cross spread is very good, but it occupies a lot of space. So next is what you are trying to achieve. Near past, near future, your attitude to environment, hopes and fears, and this will be the final outcome. Let's start the reading. Okay, let's see your card first. Okay, this card represents you. Okay, so you are a magician. So you can be a fixed signs, any signs like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aquarius, Taurus, or Leo. Okay, so Scorpio also. You are a magician. You can manifest whatever you want in your life. Okay, you have the capacity, you have the capability, and you are highly intuitive. With the magician card, I can say that you are highly intuitive, and you can know. I mean, your gut instinct will tell you what to do, what not to do. Okay, so now next is what is crossing you or your next step. It is Six of Moons. Okay, so whoever you are dealing with, so this person might be your friend, classmate, childhood friend. So you already have some connection with this person before, I mean in the childhood. Okay, so this is also kind of a reconciliation card. The next step will be what is crossing you will be, so you want the reconciliation with this person, whoever is your friend or lover, okay, or crush. So you want a reconciliation with this person. This is Six of Cups, so you are sharing your love and emotions together, so you want this reconciliation with this person. So now let's see what you are going through right now. So what you are going through right now, it is eight of stars. That means you are confused and you don't know what to do. You are blindfolded. You both blocked each other. You don't have any communication with this person. So you don't know what is happening in their life. So you are totally blindfolded, confused, and almost like you are blocked. Okay, so you can't move in because you don't have the clarity only how to move. So you are tied to a you are tied up and you cannot move. Okay, that is your current situation. You don't know anything about this person, completely blocked, no communication. Okay, so let's see what you are trying to achieve. So what you are trying to achieve is this eight of spears. Okay, eight of spears means you want to work on this connection. So you want to work hard on this connection to manifest. Okay, whatever the result you want, that you want to work hard on this connection and try to understand, try to adjust, try to like you want to adjust according to this person. You want to work on this connection. Okay, so you want to gather everything, whatever is important for your love connection, love life. You want to gather all the things and you want to start from scratch and you build the empire with this person. Okay, so you are ready to work hard in this connection. You want to put your 100% in this connection. So let's see, this is the near past. So near past is the page of suns. Okay, the page of suns is you were passionate towards this person, you were attracted towards this person. So you had some communication with this person. That communication is not matured, it is immature communication, but still you had some communication, some information about this person. So recent past it happened with you. Maybe it is in the month of November, last month. You might have got some information about this person. This is the near past. Okay, so this is like your attraction and passion towards this person is growing day by day. Okay, so this is what happened in the recent past or near past. So next, near future. Near future is, it is three of spheres. Okay, this is also kind of apprenticeship and you are learning. Okay, so you want to learn something and you want to work on this connection. These both cards are almost similar. Okay, eight of spheres and three of spheres. That means you want to work on this connection. You want to gather or combine with this person. You want to reconcile with this person and you want to put both the skills together. And you have some business ideas and business plans also with this person. You want to grow with him or her. Okay, so you want to grow with this person. You want to combine your assets. You want to combine your love and emotions. Okay, so you want to do the apprenticeship in this connection and you want to learn the work according to that person whom you are asking this question about. What is the future of this connection? Now let's see what is your attitude. So your attitude is hierophant. Okay, so deep inside you want marriage with this person, and hierophant is a very stable, honest person with a lot with a commitment and respect in the society. So you want to your attitude towards this person and towards this connection is that. So you want to have the commitment, you want to have a stable relationship with this person, you want to have a respectful life in the society. So what not, you want a family with this person, you want to marry this person. Okay, so this is your attitude. Now let's see what is the environment around you and your connection. Okay, so around environment around you, it is eight of moons. Okay, so that means you and your person are walking away from this connection. I don't think it's you. Your person is walking away from this connection. Okay, I forgot to tell you, your person might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so this person is like walking away, even though there is a scope, there is a hope for the future, both together, but this person still they want to go away. Okay, they are walking away. Actually right now they are walking away from this connection. So that is the environment. Now let's see the hopes and fears of in this connection. Hopes and fears of this connection. What is the future of this connection? We'll see. This is postulant. Okay, the star. That means it is a lot of stalking. Okay, lot of information gathering. So this is what the hopes and fears. This hope is that you are able to communicate through the third party, like you are getting the information about this person, even this person is talking you, this person is getting information about you. So that is kind of a hope for you. So you are thinking that okay, this person is interested about me, this person is talking me, this person is checking on me, my social media. So that means this person is interested towards me. As I already told you, you both know each other, you have mutual friends, common friends. Okay, this person might be contacting them, communicating with them to get more information about you, what you are doing, what you are feeling. So this person is inquiring about you, gathering information, keeping tabs on you. So that is your hope. Okay, this person is interested in me, so this person will come towards me. That is your hope. Okay, so fears is you have still, the problem is this person is not communicating with you, still that fear is there, whether this person will come or not, that fear also is there. So finally, let's see the outcome. So what is the future of this connection? Okay, the future of this connection is the burning tower. Okay, something definitely will collapse in your connection, and again it will reborn. Okay, falling down, and again you will be building, as I told you in this near future card. So near future means you are you want to do the apprenticeship. Apprenticeship is nothing but you are learning again, unlearning and relearning again. That means you are uh, whatever you have learned from this person, everything you are unlearning, and you want to work on this relationship again. The same thing is represented here in this tower card. That means something will collapse, everything will be collapsing, but you will be starting from the scratch. Okay, I can see with these three cards, eight of spears, then the three of spears, and the tower card. So that means you will be starting something new with this person, the future of the connection. So you both will be starting together something new. That is the future of this connection. Something will happen very suddenly, unexpectedly, everything will collapse, fall down, but you will rise from ashes, and you both will start this connection from scratch. Okay, this is a good positive reading. Okay, if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol to get more notifications regarding my new videos. That's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye.